Designed with concealed carry users in mind, Griffin's advanced threaded match drop-in pistol barrels and complementary micro-carry comps were created to make shooters more accurate, faster, and more efficient on the range and in their everyday carry. Griffin's ATM barrels are billet machined from 416R chromium stainless steel to exacting tolerances for the ultimate in drop-in match performance. 5-axis machining done in a single work holding positions all critical dimensions on the breech, ensuring theoretically perfect geometrical relationship of barrel, slide, and locking lug. Chambers are honed and polished to ensure an extremely smooth surface finish and optimal reliability with a wide range of ammunition from training to duty ammo. Over 2 years of testing and research provided the knowledge base to manufacture these barrels with the best possible accuracy, while not sacrificing factory reliability. These barrels provide the utility of accessory and suppressor support while providing uncompromising reliability. The included patent-pending Griffin Micro Carry Comp provides concealed carry users with a compensator designed specifically for them. The Micro Carry Comp enhances recoil control while minimizes the likelihood of printing on clothing versus competition-style compensators. The Micro Carry Comp fits a wide range of holsters without modification and provides noticeable recoil reduction for faster, more accurate follow-up shots, enhancing the overall control of the firearm. Experienced shooters can drop fractions of a second off their split times, while novice shooters or people without as much upper body strength or grip strength can gain an advantage in reducing recoil, the associated flinch, and can get faster, more accurate shots on target. A win for shooters of all levels. Don't lose confidence in your handgun by using subpar components. Carry confidently with Griffin ATM barrel systems. High-quality equipment coupled with training from bona fide and credentialed instructors will give you the needed tools to carry with confidence.